Students, next we discuss about speed objective point. So speed objective point we discussed mainly average speed or mean speed. Okay. So these formulas are used in our problems. Okay. So first speed and average speed మీద average speed. In case 1 we have to discuss, okay, you consider a path is there, initial point A, final point B. Now from this point A to point B travel an object, that is any vehicle will travel from A to B with different laps up to B. Now in this lap we consider a vehicle cover with different velocities v1, v2, v3 and so on up to vn velocities in same distance, that is s, and so on up to s, and also in a different time t1, t2, t3 and so on up to tn. Okay, once again I will tell you, a vehicle cover from the path A to B or the distance A to B with different velocities in same distance and different times. Okay, so in this case what is the average velocity traveled by the object? We find what is the average speed or mean speed, average speed or mean speed. Okay, we know that the formula average speed or mean speed formula is V average is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. So total distance is yes and so on up to total distance is yes and so on up to s. So we have to write total distance s is s plus s plus s plus s plus and so on plus s in n times. Okay, by total time. What is total time? It is t1, t2, t3 and so on up to 2n. So t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus and so on plus tn. Okay, we know that the velocity v or speed v equal to distance by time. And what is time? Time t equal to distance by velocity. So we have to write this t1 equal to distance is s by v1. So we have to write in t1, t2 places total distance is n into s, n times of total distance, and total time t1 is s by v1. Similarly s by v2 plus s by v3 plus and so on plus s by vn. Okay students, next in denominator we common s value. Okay na, in denominator we common s. Now this equal to v average equal to is ns by and the distance will be common, then what happened? Distance will be common, then 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3 plus and so on plus 1 by vn. Okay. Now this s and s both will get cancelled. Okay. This s and s. So V average equal to n by 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3 plus and so on plus 1 by vn. Okay. So this is the average speed or mean speed formula. Okay. In case we have to take two laps problems, that is, this is from x and this is from y path, and there are two paths are there, they are equally distances s, s, and the vehicle cover with different velocities v1 and v2. Then what is the average velocity or mean speed in this one is equal to V average equal to, this is two lap system, so n equal to 2. So n equal to 2, then we can write 2 by, only v1 v2 terms will be taken, that is 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 will be taken, which is equal to 2 by denominator v1 v2 and upon v1 plus v2. Therefore V average value equal to 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This is the formula for two lap system. Okay. So this is average speed in case 1. Okay. Next we discuss case 2.